Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. As you can see here, we've got the list of currently added languages, so we've got only English. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Of course, if you want to, you can always type it right here in the search section, or just scroll and find. And let me pick whatever, it can be French. Just find the language and tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so the same situation, just tap. And here you can see that I've just added the French language to this list. However, the English language is still a main one. It is because it is on the very first position, so we have to switch the languages. Let's tap on the one you'd like to use, tap on it and hold it, and now you can simply drag it to the first position, like that. And from this moment, from now on, your device will be displayed everything in the chosen language, so in my case, French. Of course, we can do it again, so let me do it, tap on it, hold it and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. If you want to remove the languages from this list, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark it and the trash bin icon. Confirm. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system language in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.